I know that this fern should grow here. This fern I saw in New Caledonia, and also there's a nice book which describes fern distribution in Japan. And on this book mentioned two islands on the very south of Japanese archipelago. On these two islands, this dipteris fern can grow. And I am now on one of these islands. This is Iriamote. Iriamote is an island which belongs to Japan, but extremely close to Taiwan. And here it is. This is a dipteris fern, one of the most amazing fern in the world. This is a very old Triassic group of ferns, which has many outstanding characters. Well, some of them don't even allow to call it the true fern. Look, for example, on leaves of dipteris. They are frequently peltate, like in a sacred lotus. They still contain some traces of typical fern leaf development. They frequently dichotomously branched, so each leaf starts with two halves, then each half will also split in a half, then each of them will split again, and again. But in general, the overall view of the leaf is flat-ish, with kind of cup-like appearance, like again in a sacred lotus in Nilumba. Plus, sporangia of dipteris are not gathered in any particular structures. They are just scattered along the lower surface of the leaf. And many other characters will make dipteris very outstanding member of the whole fern group. There's one more fern which grows, for example, on Okinawa, and it's extremely rare also on the main Japan island, Cherapleuria, which is more or less close to dipteris. One of character which will unite them is very funny. When you touch leaves of dipteris, you will hear interesting metallic sound, and the same sound you might hear if you touch leaves of Cherapleuria. So structure of the leaf blade is similar between these groups. However, in case of dipteris, there is no separation to trophophils and sporophils like in Cherapleuria. Sporangia are located on normal leaves. Dipteris also famous in ability to grow on extreme intensive sunlight and also on rocks and really dry soil. So this makes dipteris very interesting fern to grow in this place. And unfortunately, I think it's extremely hard to cultivate. At least I didn't see it frequently in botanical gardens. So dipteris, one of the rarest ferns of the world, on one of two places when you can find it in Japan. Thank you very much.